Okay. Today we'll just recap a little bit of your refraction of light, and then after that we'll go into details regarding the image formation in lenses, convex and concave lens. Mani as a tutorial mas so kan refraction of light chika smart class kan man train digital classroom ami ka karon tilang to maro chun man vak long ni assignment quiz assignment akhanin ron ti thata lo rio me chu wangin mi jo tungin him chen ni sele don ni refraction of light chu amma sabera chun a main definition a chun tiang this is the main definition. The change in direction, the bending of light is okay. The bending of light when it travels from when it travels from one medium to another due to change in velocity of light. Refraction of light, a definition simple bertunia medium ti hi dai ni to medium ti chu eng kal tlang the na ko chu medium an ni me refraction of light a medium kan ti chuan thil danga chuan medium meaning kha dang lam de ya refraction of light biga chuan medium meaning chu light kal tlang the na rim ka boruak te vacum te tui te glass te khang ho kha diamond te khang ho kha medium chun ni mai light hi medium khata om lai chuan in straight line na kalani ka kha lo report la internan chumi om je chu era om lai ka chuan light hi tian straight line khana kalta ni okay ma se medium da han vakalta se okay let me use something else then straight line khana kalta light kha amaro chu medium danga lo umta ni entena boru tang tuya te lo kalta se emo tuya tang boru ka te kalta se ta khan like a straight line kalta belo like a bend da ni topic mo sele khan reflection of light the reflection a chon medium kha chau khani medium kha chung khan light kha direction khan change ta tu na chon medium shana khan light the local to thin ta to the change that chung chang chuni. Okay, first let's draw a line and here a separator along it la arong hidum kan thlak long now a chung lampang hi. Okay, let's say this is a medium air nita se water lo nita se like la kan en lawang ela hi tui surface of che khalo nita tinan ta khata kha ti like kha kal zer ka den chin don tian local ta se obliquely. Why is the color always blue? Let's put it black again. Ti hian local ta se air khala chu nei ta se ti hian kal lo na ni I'm going to just copy it here kal dan tur chu ni ton ta ni okay ti hian light kha kal don ta ni amaro chu kha kha ni lova tu yelo ta ga wang khan a direction kha in thak to don ta ni ei chin che tur ti hian ti lang te la hei kal na tur kha ti zo hen kal ta lo hian like a bend ta thin ani helai a bend da na hi a predict alo soi lok the ta khoi zo nge a bend don ti zo ti hian lo bend di ta ni pathiam tro hei hi angai kal lo kha ti lo kal koi ta amo ti zo pon le the ti zo pon le the okay whatever we still don't know yet kha rules o ma snails law mangin man ni hanga tilang na to chu ma chuan normal kha chu file podang normal line normal chu mathematics strong kamania e perpendicular tina ni mai ni kan draw chinang normal chu he surface le point of contact at a khatang khan a surface perpendicular draw te la kha normal chu ni mai e line tak tak kan ringai lo line le man ya om tak tak lo imaginary line ania chu wangin dotted line kan mang lenga he hi normal om je chu ni ta ni okay let's produce it downward just know that he copy later nota is important normal to an imaginary line which is perpendicular to the surface of medium at the incident point of incidence is of saplong kana zo he normal chu ni he surface perpendicular hina kalturania mo chon he incident point of incidence he lai hin ta he here he incident ray kan dita ni okay just know this is here incident incident ray dani what's happening this here incident ray it's such a funny mo chuan air tang water hi air hi rare kan tia water hi denser kan ti thina i density soina ne boro chu interest chianga tui ai da muklo jok ta class na ka zer da density chuwangin rare tang denser akal rare chuan light hi it always bends towards normal ka normal hi ko la bang normal he minga nei dia in kan tianga tlai hi then this will be a in dash it's in bold kangai len na hey in dash in ta ni chuan incident rate hi tianga kal chuan alloy da sei chu it will rarer air tang water air hi rarer kan tia amuk lo jok ti na nim zo tong chuan water hi denser kan thong chu le chu amuk jok ti na khatiang ni chuan rays ka it bends towards the normal lam hi pandon tuna hian available hina kal do tina chu ti zo hina kal ka chem dro hei hi a refraction om dan chu ni ale ling zo in kal ta se hei kan thai che nga ti zo hin kal zo ta se tu ye tang bo ro kan lo chho zo ta se denser to rarer no ta ni ta hen te kal lian arrays ka produce le photaila kan sei to khan line le mang le bong heta hian ta hel khoi lamang e ben ve dong ka ti chuan denser to rarer ka chuan light ka it will bend away from the normal lo lampanga normal chu helam hi nia hemi lo lama helama hena kal no tinani he ta tang hian chhul je langai kami kan line produce tanga kar kan ti anga normal lo lama ti zo hena kal thung don ta ni okay So to summarize, direction of bending maybe ignoring copy liang. Number 1, when light travels from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So another reading zone when light travels from denser to rarer, denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. Okay, and what you take it down, it's very, very important. Let the refraction phenomena to do talk la. Hey, real life I can munesta come a refraction of light he internet hadel to he bucket at telom ta se amol luya te dilate among he alang pon lang trini aron sang trin two lo mel he lang trini in mutoka. Hey, he a chan to refraction of light bangania. If you open your page, your textbook page number 20. No, it's actually it's from 1919 to 21. I can't come to Jang Haron so if you need light cal ina hey ati dang lam dan alo ti pon lang dan emo and then mol te tu ya hen no data la mol ngil le de kha kan mu ko the tu kan che hian khang song song ka shil fi na kha page number 90 to 20 kha no kha nang mani lo ento lo kha examination point of view apo atang kai thina mor su tu na chu kan soi ri lo wang na kina next assignment next tutorial vela na soi ka tom do ni tu na chu kan du to ri nga a loss ka snail's law or loss of reflection kan soi lo me no in assignment ta tang kai to kan soi photang lens a akal dan kha now lens si mirror ne khanin ai nang lu tu ka enge mo chen chu wang chuan thil har sala tuk tur om lo tura ngai te la lens draw dang kan zir le photang now tin scale khela chhuak nga chuan you draw a line ka draw ta ni okay chuan here how do I compass le lenga ti hian this is not the location lelam a hen siam ngai to mirror ne an lo na lai ni ya okay chuan hei compass hi om nei son no he lam ta khan jiak ve le okay thiang compass kan du tok to yang chuan ama min bokat a light tak point hi ti jok tem okay hei mun da kan copy chuak de nge chut au san nan just copy this what the hell hian on ta ni alai dak point hi heta hian point mo ta ni okay let me use my pen now because here khan na lutuk to don lo so don't worry about it but I'll be faster here alai dak point ka mirror ka chuanin I pole ka ti da chuan o ka ti dei ni o which means optical center ti na ni chuan he lai hi c kan te ka c ka ti to lo wa tu na chuan ni ming khan nei to a angara chui main o nia he lai ni ka kha f kan tia he lai c I 2f ti me kan putir dei he lai tu ri he in chen do no tat he lam in chen che hi kan la zo kan f tho he lam f1 kan tia nga 2f1 f ka focus dia tho ni he hi f2 kan tia nga he lai lai in chen chen ta lai kan draw le nga 2 f2 okay now what are their names and me khan lo la le tai la chu ti hi ni o means optical center chuan f1 le f f1 f2 kha dia focus focus di jong thur la focus kha kha min le ta ni alo khre ta la chuan convex lens hi mirror chuan lens a chuan mirror min khan property ain ang lo lawa object kha left hand side da char char tur nia aru sa kan soi le don ni okay let's draw an imaginary line here again which will also nan line can draw le look on can you see use blur again ei poi line tak tak man no tur ania okay le hi rule so chu ni mirror ne khai ang lu tua concave mirror ne nang kha sang cheo when okay let's write down bending of light dimension no take silent thing is strong and not toila rules for locating image formed by convex lens okay you write like this chuan amasabera chuan parallel to principal hi o hemi line hi line je kali principal axis khan ni leta mirror ne khan align angreng ani now let's see how the line goes light rays go left hand side a khan light rays ka ron tran le don kha eti lai pon ni sin che top tur tia parallel to principal axis in local ta se so is blue parallel to principal axis a kal chuan ama sebera chuan focus kal tlang don he lai focus f2 zo kha sin chiang che okay ti hian a kala he rules mo seber you copy the textbook again this image when light is traveling parallel to principal axis the refracted ray pass through the focus kaka rule mustabiradi number 2 what's the next rule okay I'm going to remove this a rules patina chu o kaltlang hian line kalta se o kaltlang hian mo it goes like this it goes straight undeviated there is the bending om lo ra straight line khana kaltlang popani okay you copy this figure again when light pass through the optical center, the refracted ray becomes undeviated. No bending no straight line kana kal to padi le a rules pathum na chu helam focus in jok te la helam focus kal tlang ta se like this. Pathiam draw the here incident ray kal ta se the refracted ray kal dan chu amami opposite khan velen focus kal tlang chuan a parallel de yang principal axis kha. Okay, copy this figure again. So this is our third rule. When light pass through the focus, the refracted ray becomes parallel through the principal axis. Khang rules pathum mang khan formation of image kan zer le don ni. Page number 32 khan. If you open page number 32, if you open page 32, figure 1.25, there you see condition sang karon lang ta ni convex lens a chuan mami mirror ne khain ang lutuga object infinity a object kha beyond 2f, object kha 2f pa object kha f le 2f in kara object kha f in f a object kha all f in kara kha mirror ka di to tho boka hetai chu ni boy to lo nang main lo to don ya thiam lo om kha chuanin mi khen zo je lang asom le chu ti hen image object kha rom thin don ni ke ela hi rom ta se tu na om da ni chu f le 2f in ka rom don tian parallel to principal axis drawing a f kal tlang te rang oi kal tlang te le phu bang ending om da I should not have ended the donne. If I tell among a charger, head at 2 for the head that more charger head, the infinity tongue, infinity on Galchuan, infinity has a chiang le me. Parallel Kai Jolly, Pupong Patni Velka for Casa Sunga, choose on Juni le me. Planted children and infinity of Jordan, light drape Patni drawing. And say to her, parallel principal exists one for Casa. Out lang ngay doon tihian helai henai suwa chu wangin helai kha image form na chu ni image chu tel to point size chu ni kha khai zia ka now convex concave lens in vele lo ko concave lens chu nge well let me go back here concave lens draw dan chu etiang hi ni ve thung ni. Okay, just look carefully. At the end, line can draw put a principal axis ka. Then after that, you take your compass. Oh, I think this is too big. Right? Hi alem om da chu la date mai ni wait adik chi lo te khai kan ti om ang de ong it's too far akan nang ni tang ka don sia ol de hlek do na talk man okay helai kar khain chen ne tur ne kan tin chen chelo katan chuan zia hi har ang renga nang ne kha chuan in compass ne khain tianga har don a har vak don ni mi puja ge tan line ne draw le nga abba kha chu erase don nia hi concave lens om dar ani okay, let me print this image again. Put it here. Okay. Deleting this time. This thing takes some time, so you please bear with us. Bear with me, I mean. I just cannot erase with oh wait, I think I can do. And then just paste that image and then crop this picture like to apply molo computer part khan ya no manin ichu put fake easy to khan computer kha chu longai to do lo ro so it all samja ko I can still make it, I mean enlarge it, so it's not a big deal for me. La problema chung line ti kan ti bodo box ya. Okay. Etiang hi omdan chunita ni convex lens le principle exists ka. Now, let's say dong khan ta hian focus kan siam ne dona. Let me use the pen now. And then han hilai vela hian tlai kha o ni le photanga tlai chen veli f1 o f1 chen che hilawan line draw ka hilai vel telen ta se drew f1 helama tlai hian f2 drew f2 okay le hi min khazir le lo hi kon ki lens ni ta ni mam se kan lo jiak lo ni mo ta hin akal dan ni chin chele tur chu focus ya ma khan helam hi gan ring ta tu na chona focus a main focus chu helam left hand side and om de ta ni hey light rays kal dan chu ni ve ta ni okay wait one more imaginary line is needed right optical center kal tang yan perpendicular to principal axis in line and draw le photang o kal tlang in le parallel to principal axis in kalta se and thing like a kalzel ta isn't it what parallel mean over here to draw tihan kalta se arrays kalda chu tiang in don helai focus kal tlang don lo a so do han concave lens sa so na focus helai left hand side of the so it will goes like this appears to pass through f1 hi ni don ni here na kalang light rays too. Just look here carefully. Okay. Here na kal ta de image. Chuan helai hi line tak tak khari thei lo wa. Line le mai draw kha ngai don tan. a chan chu light rays ka bakal tak tak lo so I'm going to change this as an imaginary line. Cái line tak tak ni tat lo kang yan. Okay. So our first rule is when light is traveling through the refractive ray appears to pass through the focus. Focus kal tlang deuh khan focus ra ron chuang khan a diverge ta ni. A mami ka convex an sa ju unconverge. Parallel to principle exists ho re kha focus khan an kal khom ni ta chuan focus ran chuak dar zo ka ni. Chuan deng hi chu diverging lens bond train concave kha. Chin chiabula. Ka rules mo sabera ni. Copy this figure again. Now the second rule is ani le focus kal tlang ta se he focus lo helam focus khan ve le de thung da ne kalai kha ngora chu man o zo khati le potang ka chu o kha chu ngai le reng do na if it pass through o no deviation straight line khana kal le popang like this hi line tak ta ngai le to si when I pass through the optical spectrum, the refracted ray becomes undeviated. Hey, jo angai hilaring theta ni. So na pathum na. Copy this figure again. A pathum na hi focus kal tlang ang hian lang ta se ta ni. To na chuan helai focus zo f2 zo kal tlang hian. So to helai chin hi chu line lem kha ring le dei do na chuan. Let me put it back here. At the end light local ta se f2 kal tangin mas f2 zone cha kan light hiron kal ta se khoyang refracted ray kha kala f2 kha ro shut lang tak tak bi lo ni akal dan dik tak zo chu he hin ton ta ni it becomes parallel to the principal axis like this. Okay, then what will har kham lo you copy this figure again and you write here again. When light appears, asu tak tak lo, so when appears appears to pass through the focus, the refracted rays become parallel to the principal axis. Abaka to diktane. So now for this, you look at page number 33, figure 1.26. Kay enang ABC. Kang kay enang image kaldan. So and why me when object is certificate kang hoka i assignment or chuintani next class a cho chi hi kan zirang hata tang hian a cho chi le diagram hi a chuak nge ya hemi pani thiam chonin hemi chapter ta chuan full mark hi modon ni no worries. Okay.